Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly trying to go red. So it might be a breakout. It might be a pullback week. So let's get back to daily chart. Daily chart. Okay. New high. I had been telling you this for last many days that we have to wait until the price comes back until the EMA. That's only my trade. Okay, so pull back until the EMA, then engulfing blue candle, and then only we enter swing trade in USDCAD. That will take some time. Coming back to 4 hour, I had been telling you for a long time, price will come until this EMA. It has to happen. I told you right here. Okay, I told you when the price was at this candle, I think in 4 hour, and I told you no matter what happens, price will come until the EMA. It might take time. It will not happen in one day. Okay, things will not happen in 4 hour or in one day. What I do is the big time analysis, higher time frame analysis. I don't do 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. I don't care about them. Okay, so when I say this will happen, that will happen, but not today. That could take 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. Okay, so in 4 hour, this EMA will be tested. That's your short trade. Okay, but at the same time, I'm telling you, avoid trading dollar pairs because dollar is being manipulated. Okay, so I will trade non-USD pairs. There are too many opportunities for me, but it's entirely up to you what you're gonna do. Okay, so if you want to look for opportunity in Delhi, wait for the rejection. It will take some time. It will take 5 more days maybe. Okay, maybe next week. So it will come until the EMA. It will surely happen. It's written. Okay, the price will touch down this EMA, reject it, and then engulfing blue candle, and then only we go long. That's USDCAD for you. If you like what you see, subscribe, like. If you want to join premium signals, check out the link below. Join my free Telegram, and brokers, join them as well. And I'll see you in my subscribe, like. I will see you in my next videos. Until then, you subscribe.